Welcome. Let's provide a solution given this math problem, which is 17 raised to the power 5 plus 17 raised to the power 4 plus 17 raised to the power 3 plus 17 raised to the power 2 plus 17 raised to the power 1 plus 17 raised to the power 0. Okay, so solution, we have 17 raised to the power 5 can be expressed as 17 raised to the power 4 plus 1 plus 17 raised to the power 4 plus 17 raised to the power 3, okay, plus 17 raised to the power 2 plus 17 raised to the power 1 plus 17 raised to the power 0. That is a raised to the power 0. This is the same thing as 1. So 17 raised to the power 0 is the same thing as 1. So plus 1. Okay. So we'll have 17 raised to the power 4 plus 1 plus 17 raised to the power 4 plus 17 raised to the power 3 can be expressed as 17 raised to the power 2 plus 1 plus 17 raised to the power 2 plus 17 raised to the power 1 plus 1. Okay. Now, applying the indices identity, that is a raised to the power n plus m, we can transform this as a raised to the power n multiplied by a raised to the power m. Now, let's apply this property. We'll have 17 raised to the power 4 plus 17 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 17 raised to the power 1 plus 17 raised to the power 4 plus, now we have 17 raised to the power 2 plus 1. This becomes 17 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 17 raised to the power 1 plus 17 raised to the power 2 plus 17 raised to the power 1 plus 1. Okay. Now, from what we have here, 17 raised to the power 4 is common. So we can factor out 17 raised to the power 4 so that we'll have 17 plus 1 and then plus, now 17 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 17 raised to the power 1 plus 17. You can see 17 raised to the power 2 is common. We factor out that so that we'll have 17 plus 1 plus, this is 17 plus 1, which is 18. Okay. Now this is 17 raised to the power 4. Okay. Into the bracket 17 plus 1, this is 18 plus 17 squared into the bracket, this is 18. 17 plus 1 is 18 plus 18. Okay. Now from what we have here, let's factor out 18. We'll have 18. Now this becomes 17 raised to the power 4 plus, now we have 17 raised to the power 2. Okay. Plus 1. Okay. Now from what we have here, this is the same thing as 18. Into the bracket, this is the same thing as 17 raised to the power 4 can be expressed as 17 squared multiplied by 17 squared plus 17 squared plus 1. Okay. Now from what we have here, so we have 18. We have here 17 squared multiplied by 17 squared plus 17 squared. 17 squared is common, so we factor out 17 squared so that we'll have 17 squared plus, okay, this is 1, then plus 1. Okay. Now this becomes 17 squared. This is the same thing as 17 times 17, which is equal to 289. Okay. Now let's substitute this. We'll have 18 into the bracket. We'll have 289. Okay. Into the bracket we'll have 289 plus 1. Okay. Plus 1. All right. Now from what we have here, this is 18. Into the bracket we'll have 289 multiplied by 289 plus 1, which is equal to 290. Okay. Plus 1. Again, from what we have here, this is the same thing as 18 into the bracket. Now, this is 289 multiplied by 290. 289 can be expressed as 200 plus 80 plus 9 multiplied by 290 plus 1. Okay. Now, from what we have, this is the same thing as 18 into the bracket. This is 200 times 290. We have 200 times 290 plus 290 multiplied by 80 plus 290 multiplied by 9, okay, then plus 1. Now from what we have here, this is the same thing as 18. 200, this is 200 times 290. This is equal to 58,000 plus 290 times 80. This is 23,200 plus 290 times 9. This is 2610, okay? And then we had 1. So we'll have 18 into the bracket, we'll have 58,000 plus 23,200 plus 2610. This is equal to 83,810 plus 1. Okay? And this becomes 18 into the bracket. This is 811. Okay? This is 810 plus 1. This is 811. Now 18, we can express 18 as 10 plus 8 multiplied with 83,811. Okay? Now from what we have again, this is 10 multiplied by 83,811 plus 8 multiplied by 83,811. So that now we'll have, this is 83, okay, this is 838,110 plus 8 times, this is 8 times 83,11, which is actually equal to 670, 488, and this should give us, now this is 838,110 plus 670,448. This is actually equal to 1,508,000, okay, 598. We have seen that the total here, this is 1,508,598, okay. So this is the solution. So thank you for watching and kindly follow the steps. Like the video and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.